if someone wants to start now, kind of learning Islam and get involved, and maybe they haven't got a full command of the Arabic language, but they want to start with books, what would you advise in terms of where to go? Not only just books, but bodies of work, videos. Okay, you mentioned your seerah, for example, so that's something people can maybe refer to. But is there anything in addition to that you would point them towards?
Yeah, so we have to understand this now. We are not talking about those interested in academic Islamic study in Western institutions. That's a whole different track. We're talking about the average Muslim who wants to study the deen, to come closer to Allah, and to worship Allah in an appropriate manner. For this person, obviously, they need to stick with the mainstream sciences of Islam. You need to understand, you need to start doing your basics of tajweed. This is a very simple science. You need to start the basics of fiqh. I advise every Muslim who's interested to find a teacher and to do fiqh one-on-one. Whatever madhab you choose is fine. Just do any fiqh so that you understand how to worship Allah, how to pay zakah, what to be done. So I wouldn't advise online fiqh. Fiqh should be done one-on-one as much as possible, okay? Because you can misunderstand something, be problematic. As well, of course, you said the seerah, and I also have the lessons of the Quran, the summary of the Quran as well, the 30 lessons I've done. It's also something useful. Inshallah, all of this mainstream mashayikh that you know, and Mufti Mek and all of them, and all of them, they have some benefit. Listen to them. It'll keep your mind preoccupied. Questions will come. But there must be one person in your community that you have access to, that you trust, because you need that one-on-one. Because if you have a problem, an issue, you should be able to go to that person and then question that person. And other than that, there's no set curriculum. It's just the concepts. You need to do your basic theology, your basic fiqh, you start memorizing Quran, and overall be with people of ilm. It's not necessary to become an alim, but it is very essential to associate yourself with ilm and the people of ilm. It does have a very positive impact on you spiritually.